Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's an '07 GT that lays down over 500 rural horsepower. I'll tell you what, this car came in pretty much bone stock, and we installed a lot of cool go fast mods, including the Novi 2200 supercharger. So, hey, if you haven't, please subscribe to stay up to date, because that's how you're going to learn about cool videos like this, whether you have a 3-valve, or whether you have a Coyote, or another type of vehicle. But here it is. It's the '07 GT. I have Doug with me. We're going to go down and take a look at the engine compartment, talk about all the mods we did to this, and how did we get over 500. And at the end of the video, for some of you out there that are thinking, hey, is that too much power for my stock 3-valve Mustang? Don't worry. I have a really cool video that explains all about that. I will put a link at the end. But right now, let's go check this out.
Rolling.
Okay, before we watch this dyno poll, let me tell you what is involved with the performance go fast mods on this '07 GT right here. Doug, come down. Let's take a look. So it's got our Novi, one of my favorites, a 2200 intercooled supercharger packages running 93 octane fuel. This comes in at redline right about 12 pounds of boost, which is just fine on your stock 3-valve Mustang, but that's not all that's installed. So we call this our Brenspeed turnkey package. So you get 47-pound fuel injectors, get a Kenny belt booster pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper calibration. Yeah, you can put it on a stock car, but you can also put it on a car with a lot of mods. So we have the Ford Racing intake manifold, we have the throttle body, we also installed a set of pipes, long tube headers. So basically, besides that, the other mod is a set of Detroit rocker camshafts. So this car really came in from stock to everything I would do to a pretty much stock car. Camshafts, long tubes, induction, and the Novi 2200 supercharger, which is a really cool setup. So right now, check out this dyno poll. All right, I ran that bad boy up to 6,800 RPM. Doug, come over and take a look. DynoJet SAE 532 real horsepower, peaking at 6,800 RPM where I let off. Torque came in at 423 to the tires, peaking at 6,000 RPM. Awesome place to be. I love the torque. I love the real horsepower. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I will have that link. You can just click on and say, hey, how much power is too much power, or should I say torque, on my stock 3-valve Mustang. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Check those details. I'll put links to all the parts I just talked about. You might have more questions. You can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? Because I want, Doug, take a look. Maybe you want this right here. 532 rural horsepower on your stock 3-valve Mustang, which is really sweet. And as always, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Have a great day.